Most tradespeople don't go into business to run a business. They go into business because they like the kind of field work they're doing, and they get to a point where they grow and they're like, well, I kind of need some help.
I did a budget once when I started the company, never looked at it. Basically, LMN was a really good kind of like foundation for learning how to budget. BTA definitely took it to that next level of where I needed to go.
The end objective is to help remove yourself from your business a little bit, like the day-to-day stuff. What we have learned that we need to track and things we should be monitoring with BTA, we're able to then implement into LMN's software and their programs to then help us with better time tracking or quoting. Then we take that information and we put it back into a BTA file, and that helps us discover our job profitability, track costs, know what we should be charging.
So we'll take our financials that we've worked on through BTA and we're going to plunk them into our LMN budget. It ends up basically showing you how to price out your work. Yeah, and then you feel like you're actually planning for profit. That's one of the things that LMN talks about.
It's good, the diversity of reports that you can pull. The estimating is very, very solid. I'm really happy with those tools. So,
from like LMN time to the quoting to the budgeting stuff to like photos of job sites and being able to like track notes. The thing that I think I love the most is that it brings it all into like one program.
As you build your budget at the end, you get to see what kind of industry standards are, plus or minus, and it actually gives you some advice based on where your numbers are. It was made by a landscape company for landscape companies, so they just get it.
The BTA templates on like identifying a client's needs, creative problem solving, overcoming obstacles when they have concerns about certain things. So those are all like the BTA tools that I've used, but it's a very step-by-step process now that my salesman can go through and then still be able to deliver a price to that client because we can estimate so quickly in LMN. With LMN for the estimating so quick and being able to tweak things mid-season on a budget, and it'll automatically affect your pricing moving forward. And then BTA with the systems accountability and the tools. They're two powerful tools that, on their own are just valuable, but together it's a good team for sure.